Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we are talking about learning how to learn.
Because learning is not just sitting with a book and looking serious.
Exactly. Sometimes I stare at a page and feel like I'm doing hard work.
But the page is learning more about me than I am learning about it.
The first step is to empty the cup.
That means we let go of I already know this and I can never learn this.
Those two thoughts close the door before the lesson even starts.
Yes, a curious mind learns faster than a proud mind or a scared mind.
So instead of saying, I know this, we can say, what can I learn from this?
And instead of saying, I'm bad at this, we can say, I'm still learning this.
That small change makes learning feel lighter.
It also stops us from fighting with the topic before we even begin.
Another key idea is active learning.
Don't just watch a video and hope the knowledge jumps into your brain.
Sadly, the brain does not work like a phone charger.
Yes, you cannot just plug in a book and wake up smarter.
Active learning means you take notes, repeat ideas, ask questions, and practice quickly.
If you learn a new phrase, use it in a sentence today.
If you learn a new idea, explain it in your own words.
That is when learning becomes real.
Your state also matters.
If you are tired, stressed, or half asleep, learning becomes heavy.
But when you sit up, breathe, and feel interested, your brain listens better.
Even your posture can tell your brain, okay, we are ready now.
Teaching is another powerful trick.
When you learn something as if you will teach it, you pay more attention.
You start asking, can I explain this simply?
And if you can explain it simply, you probably understand it better.
Review is also important.
Learning once is like meeting someone once and expecting to remember their birthday forever.
True, the brain needs reminders.
Review before you forget, not after everything disappears.
That is why spaced repetition works so well.
You come back to the idea again and again, and the memory gets stronger.
Now, let's move into shadowing practice.
Listen, speak out loud, and learn these ideas with your voice.
I learn better when I stay open and curious.
I do not need to know everything before I begin.
I take small notes to keep my mind active.
I practice new ideas as soon as I can.
I ask simple questions when something is not clear.
I learn faster when my body and mind are calm.
I sit up, breathe slowly, and get ready to learn.
I teach the idea to someone else in simple words.
I review important points before I forget them.
I come back to the lesson again after some time.
I make mistakes, and I use them as feedback.
I focus on progress, not perfection.
I turn learning into a daily habit.
I give my brain time to connect new ideas.
I learn best when I use what I learn.
Great work! You have finished another Echo to Fluency Shadowcast lesson.
Do not try to memorize every sentence today.
Just listen again, speak out loud, and let the rhythm become natural.
Learning grows stronger when you return to it again and again.
Even a small review can make a big difference.
Keep your cup open, keep your mind curious, and keep practicing.
Your English will become clearer one shadow at a time.
See you in the next lesson.